Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I'm going to proceed with task number three, which is ESP1 as a publisher. So, before that, I'm going to read the point. So, the first point is configure ASP32 number one to publish JSON data representing the state of three switches, which is on and off every 0.5 seconds. So the second point is you may use the dummy GPIO switch module to generate random switch states. The third point is take a picture or screen capture of the final result and submit to Google Drive and share the link to BLE. So the last point is do recording, enable webcam and microphone, upload to YouTube and submit the link to BLE as part of the task number 6. So as you can see at the question, we got the following command, which is command to import dummy GPIO switch.py to the folder. So first thing that we need to do is open the folder. So go to the command prompt. Okay, so okay, here uh, test test cd okay, so we got the folder. So the first three things that we need to do is first we need to uh, make file, make two important file for MicroPython, which is first one is boot.py. Oops, sorry, py. Then we add main.py. Okay. So the third important thing is we need to import the dummy GPIO switch from the link that in the question. So open a new terminal. Yeah. I'm going to use PowerShell because my laptop is so sensitive with command prompt in VS Code. So next we go to the question and copy this and then we paste it. Then we enter. So there's the folder, the file for dummy GPIO switch. Okay, and then we go to we copy this again. Then we change it to boot.py to import the network boot. Then enter. So you can see in the boot file there's a code for our network. And first thing first, we need to change this SSID and password using our own SSID and password. So for me, the name is voice for, sorry. Then I'm using this, then password, and then we save, oh sorry, Control S, and then we, before we upload, we need to connect with our ESP32. As we can see, there's the device for our ESP32. Connect, and then we open the terminal. Oh, this is my previous tutorial. Wait. Wait. There's a bit of the problem. Hmm. Disconnect. Try to connect it again. Oh, hello. Hmm. We wait for download. Let me just disconnect first. And we go to wait for the device to be found. It's already found. So I try connect, and we open the terminal. Okay, let's try to connect with my hotspot. Oh, I close my hotspot. Wait, it open it. Connected. Okay. So as you can see, oh, this is my previous one. Sorry. So first we need to check if the, the network is already connected or really good to connect or not. Okay, so we are going to run this code. Run this code. And that. Okay, connection successful. Alhamdulillah. So the next thing we do is to code the main AY for LED. So before that, we set this first. Laptop. Okay, and so this thing we are going to code. And let me declare a switch. Okay. from time import sleep, from this import load, loads all done. Okay, loads done. Okay, from umqtt.control import oh sorry, as you can see from WGPIO switch import the WGPIO switch file SDS, and from time import sleep to continuously the process, and then from this import loads or dump, and then from MQTT simples files import MQTT C client. So next, one, two, three. So okay, so we are going to import switch. Switch is TS 3, 33 and 34. So then this one 7 is text. And then if you PTC is into PTC. Oh, before that we need to declare first, which is this. I need to copy this. Yeah, go to the plots and get my RPG. Yeah, copy. Go. Yeah. Yeah. And then client ID. Oops, sorry. My own name. And my MQTT Docker is this I need to get from my instance on AWS, which is here, and P1, project 1 MQTT server, public IPv4 address, copy it, and then we paste it here. Oops, sorry. Then need to topic, which is oops, sorry. PIONS, my APG. Oops, sorry. Okay. Next, we are going to put the variable ID MQTT Docker, and we need to keep it alive for 60 seconds. Oh, yeah, 60 seconds. Then we need to MQTT connect MQTT publish. Thing that need to be published is topic and recent data. And then we don't forget to disconnect. So we can make it stop immediately if you want and not take big space on the RAM. Then we can issue data. Then sleep for 0.5 seconds. Oh, sorry. 0.5 seconds. Okay. So as you can see, this is the code for GPIO switch. Then we are going to try to run this code as a publisher. First, we need to upload it first. Then, oh, sorry. To upload first. So we connect. Then, after it success, then we need to run the file. Okay, successful. So as you can see, there have a publishing payload, the ID, the name, and the state. So next we are going to do using CMD and using Mosquito Sub as a subscriber to subscribe the data from broker that have been sent by publisher. So we go to CMD. Right, need to open the new one. Okay. So Mosquito Sub. Okay. Then we need to see. We need to put the ID here. So we go back to the instance, take the ID, and we paste it here using right click, and then we put the topic, which is the topic is shop at GPIONS and our APG. Here's our APG. Go here and copy this, and we paste it here, here, and then we enter. Okay, so the subscriber is successfully get the data, subscribe the data from the broker that have been sent by the publisher. So as you can see on the CMD that we have the subscriber, and then on the terminal at the VS Code we got the publisher. So the subscriber get the data from the broker, which is at my IP address, which is being sent by this publisher, which is Discord from Discord. Okay, so okay, you see it. They run by 0.5 seconds. Okay, so that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.